Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply for PSW visa in UK. So the entire process is online through the official UK website. Now you'll need to provide details about your nationality, current location and biometric residence permit or BRP. So please note that in March of 2024, the UK government began phasing out physical BRP cards in favor of electronic visas or e-visa. To convert your physical card to an e-visa, you'll need to use the UK VI app. This requires a compatible smartphone. It could be iPhone 7 or an Android phone with NFC. This will help you to scan the chip in your BRP. If you're having issues with your BRP, you'll need to book a physical appointment with the UK VI to confirm your identity. Now the application form is about 8 pages long and very detailed. You'll need to carefully answer each question with accuracy. Now this is how it looks like and how some of the questions may come. Then when it comes to the processing time, it really varies. It's advisable to apply well in advance of any deadlines, as processing times can increase closer to the deadline. Your graduate visa will be valid for 2 years from the date that it is approved. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for PSW visa in the UK.